President Rodrigo Duterte has agreed to postpone the opening of basic education classes for school year 2020-2021 to October 5, 2020. Department of Education Secretary Leonor Briones, in a press conference on Friday, August 14, 2020, said her office received a memorandum from Malacanang Friday morning about the postponement. Briones said the President approved DepEd's recommendations, which submitted on August 6 to defer class opening because learners in the National Capital Region and Calabarzon are affected by the reimposition of stringent quarantine restrictions. Last August 6, I submitted to him a policy analysis on the implications of the imposition of Modified Enhanced Community Quarantine or MECQ in Metro Manila and in the provinces of Cavite, Bulacan, Laguna, and Rizal. Briones said, the combined learner population of these two regions are very significant in terms of the entirety of our learner population. Napakalaking grupong learners ito. She added, Cavite, Laguna, and Rizal provinces form part of Calabarzon, while Bulacan is in Central Luzon. Briones said the directive to postpone class opening covers both public and private schools. However, she said private schools that have already resumed classes may continue, such as universities and colleges that offer basic education. My favorite example is the school in Siquijor. June pa nag-umpisa na sila, and I believe that they are doing well with the support of the local government. Sayang naman kung pipigilan natin sila, she said. Ang medyo sabay-sabay yung hindi pa nag-uumpisa at saka yung talagang pangmalakihan na kailangang ayusin ng gusto, she added. Siquijor used to have 0 COVID-19 case. As of August 13, the Department of Health Central Visayas Regional Office reported 3 cases on the island. Classes were scheduled to open on August 24 but without face-to-face instruction to avert transmission of coronavirus disease among learners and teachers. In lieu of face-to-face sessions, DepEd is preparing to implement 3 types of distance learning: modular distance learning, online distance learning, or the TV radio-based instruction. Calls to postpone classes have been made to buy time for preparations for these distance learning schemes. Briones said the deferment of a class opening is pursuant to Republic Act 11480, which gives the President the power to decide on a class opening during a calamity. As we all know, the Philippines is under a state of public health emergency and state of calamity due to a COVID-19 pandemic. These are difficult times, and we have to adjust to these new situations. But if things get better, we can also adjust in a positive way. I know that it is difficult for us because we are used to school calendars. We are used to schedules. Hindi na natin magawa ngayon yan dahil all over the country, the situation is different, Briones said.